It's coming around again. We've been so long waiting. All-time high. We got a damn good reason to put the troubles aside. And all your winter sorrows and the mouth to dry. Throw it away, we gotta throw it away. All the colorful days, my friends. Sing it, coming around.
It's coming around again.
Let's go. I've got someone waiting for me. It's been so long since we met. And I may not be... I think I got it wrong here. Oh, this is the TV version. Coming around again. Yeah, so long waiting for the all-time high. We got a damn good reason to put your troubles aside. Big up, Monica.
Me. Oh my God.
So, you ready to sing with Monica? Here we go. On a colorful days, my... Hit it, Monica.
Coming around again.
I'll be here to change your fortune. I'm riding on my love. I feel the weight is off my shoulders as my feet become unstuck. And all the good times on which we do depend. Yeah. Whoa, it's coming around again. Winter sorrows and I'm out to dry. Throw it away, you gotta throw it away. My friend Monica.
Coming around again.
All right, girl. And I've got to say, guys, this is the first live that I'm going to be doing. I just want to say thank you, Monica, for joining in. How are you doing? You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, where are you in the world? Where are you in the world? Where are you, girl? Don't cry. I hope those are happy tears. Come on, talk to me, girl. What's up? You okay? You know. You happy? Yeah? Oh, right, cool. Oh, I got scared then. Listen,
I'm so happy.
Oh, bless you. What country are you from? Where are you?
From Italy.
Italia, Blue Italia. Thank you.
Blue Italia.
Blue Italia. Thank you so much for all of the support over the years, girl. And keep the support coming, all right?
Okay.
Thank you for joining in and keep spreading the word. Share it. Let everybody know I'll be on here. Maybe every day I will do a couple of songs, whether it's the same song over and over and over again, but I just want to keep you guys entertained, happy, and I want to show my appreciation, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Simon.
Ciao.
Thank you. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Mom! Oh my God! Mom!
Mom!
Live with Simon Webbe! I'm on live with Simon Webbe! Come here, quick!
Hey, Layla, how about this? Layla, I'm on live with you. I'm on live with you.
Oh my God!
Oh, don't. You're making me shy. Stop it. I'm gonna sing you No Worries. Is that all right?
But I met you at Plymouth, outside the Royal Theatre.
Oh yes, that's where I recognise you from. There we go. We took social distance pictures, didn't we? How you doing? You all right?
Oh my God!
We're back in the lockdown.
Having a fit or something? No, this is even better. No, not. I thought your tooth came out or something. No.
Right, I'm gonna sing you No Worries because everyone's waiting for it.
Yeah.
All right? Here we go.
Thank you for staying with her outside of the theatre.
Right, yes, before to pick, yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Listen, I've got a daughter myself. I'd want someone to do that.
Oh
you know? So, it's for you.
Requested.
Hey.
I requested about 100 times.
Well, have a good New Year anyway.
You too as well. Big one to the family. Check it out. Yeah. So, is this how it goes? Think you've come this far with nothing to show? That ain't so, no. You don't see where you are. And if you don't look back, you will never know. Cause you think that you've been living, just treading water. And waiting in the wings for the show to begin. But I always see you searching as you try that bit harder. Getting closer, oh yeah, to the life you're imagining. But maybe not today, someday soon you'll be alright. Don't turn the other way, feels like luck is on your side. This lockdown, no worries. You can stay at home, no worries. Stay safe, wear your mask. No worries. Stay for me. So, baby, keep drifting on. Your endeavors ain't just selfless, wasted time. Seek and find, yeah. You're not that far from what you hope that you wish for all along. Cause you think that it's just treading water. Waiting in the wings for the show to begin. But I always see you searching as you try to get harder. Getting closer, oh yeah, to the life you're imagining. Oh, Layla. Maybe not today, someday soon you'll be alright. Life's gonna change. Luck is on your. No worries. Sing for me, sing. Woo, yeah, baby. No worries.
I got so lucky.
Sing for me. We all need somebody. I just know your life's gonna change. After this lockdown, you're gonna go out there and be positive, yeah? Work hard and be good, yeah?
Yes.
Right, wicked. Listen, Happy New Year to you, yeah?
You
And
too.
to your family. Mom, Dad,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you so much.
And your little sister as well. Bye-bye. Oh, it's time to fly by. Got to stop that because people will think that's coming again. Right, take it easy. All the best. Bye. For 12 weeks. So prepare yourselves, take each day.
Hello?
Hello there.
Hey, man.
How you doing?
What's up?
My man.
Is this you?
I think so.
I can't believe this.
I think this is me, man. Now,
Honestly, I can't believe this. You know what? I'm gonna share with my brothers, man. You know, my junior ones, they so much love you. You understand? They love you because I do promote your music in their place. Way back in Africa. Man, this is really big. I can't believe I'm talking to you.
Oh man, listen, I can't believe I'm talking to you. I can't believe that I have so much support on this platform. So
every single day.
Wow, what 17? Because that's your tune, right? No worries. Yeah. Big shout out to Lisa. I don't know what's going on with Estem's Wi-Fi. I think it's slowing down a bit.
Are you from Nigeria?
Ah, there he is. Sorry, your Wi-Fi.
I don't know what happened, but you know what? There was a time that every day I do tell them that, and the reason why I call you Nigerian was because of something. What's it called? Was because of this other song that you sang. This Star. You get it? You sang.
Oh, Star. Oh, I'm in my yeah.
You know, that language is my native language.
Right. Okay. Yes. Star. If anybody's wondering,
they're like, there's nothing that attached this guy to be a Nigerian. Why are you calling me a Nigerian? I said, man, he's singing our native language, man. He's saying it exactly. He's using our accent and everything.
the mother tongue. The mother tongue, yeah.
You know
well,
what?
listen, man, I just want to say,
I don't know if I could make a personal request. Maybe we sing 17 together, but every single day I sing 17. You understand?
Well, I tell you what, I'll tell you what, I've already sang 17 today. Maybe in a couple of days when I'm back on here. Okay. Just look out for it. Okay. I'll look out for you, and then we'll sing it together. All right?
Okay, excellent. Perfect, man. Perfect.
Yo, brother, thank you so much for the support and spreading the word.
Yeah.
Lots of love, man. Thank you.
One love.
love.
Wow.
That's a big, massive thank you to Esther Million out in Nigeria. Wow. Sometimes love works in mysterious ways. One day
Hi,
Simon. Coming out of trance. I refuse to give up. I refuse to even know. You're my everything. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give in up. Come on and sing.
Everybody's saying when love for the mother, some people love, they love.
One love, one love, one love.
No, please. Don't embarrass me, no.
Don't worry about it, man. Just sing along. You okay?
My God. Oh my God, I'm so fine now. So fine.
This is far more than I can tell. I thought my heart would never break. Now I know that one big mistake. I refuse to give up. I refuse to give up. You're my everything. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give in. You can sing this song.
One thing, whoa, one love for blue.
There we go. One love. One love.
One love. Stay alive.
One love. One love.
This is my day today.
I just want to say thanks a lot for all of the support, guys. Kika, thank you. Are you okay?
Thank you so much. I love you so much.
No problem. No problem. Keep the support. Thank you so much for spreading the word as well. I just want to say I love you guys. One love. And I will be back tomorrow at some point. All right? So look,
okay, you know.
Yeah, you just look out for it and I'll sing a few more songs.
I'm waiting for you.
Say that again?
Come.
Thank you. All right. One love, everyone.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. Well, that's me. I hope that you've been entertained. I want to say thank you for all the requests. Sorry if I didn't